Do you remember when you purchased your vehicle? Was it colour, style, shape, or performance that helped you make your decision? We offered the option of a diesel or petrol engine. More than likely, for a little extra at the time of purchase, you took home the diesel because of its great fuel economy. There was probably not a lot spoken about the difference between these two engine options, except the different fuel to choose at the station and the additional economy the diesel delivers. So with this in mind, let's share some insights on these engines and some easy tips that'll help you maintain your diesel vehicle, especially those fitted with a DPF. Diesel is less volatile but denser than typical unleaded petrol. Once running, a diesel engine can make use of this higher density fuel, consuming around 30% less than a comparable petrol engine, but producing greater power. Utilising the latest in electronic control technology, including high-tech piezoelectric injectors and advanced engine management systems, diesel fuel is delivered at around 35,000 psi, creating excellent engine torque and power figures with low exhaust emissions. Sounds impressive. Plenty of power, low fuel consumption and a cleaner exhaust. However, the diesel engine does have a sweet spot. It performs best and most efficiently for both fuel consumption and exhaust emissions when it's working harder or during a long drive, where it can warm up and then stay warm, such as out on the highway or while under load. Unfortunately, most diesel passenger vehicles are not driven regularly in these conditions. Instead, they're used for commuting to and from work, school drop-offs, and even play the role of the weekend shopping trolley. These urban driving behaviours often don't bring the engine components, including the exhaust system, up to optimal heat conditions. This promotes less efficient combustion, resulting in high concentrations of exhaust soot or particulates to be produced. Chances are that if you own a common rail diesel vehicle built after 2006, then it will comply with at least Euro 4 emission standards and will most likely have a diesel particulate filter. All Euro 5 compliant passenger vehicles are fitted with a DPF and a monitoring system to determine if the filter is working correctly. The best way to find out if your car has a DPF is to check your owner's manual. The diesel particulate filter is located in the exhaust. It's used to trap and contain ash particulates. It can only hold a given volume of the ash or soot produced by the diesel engine. So, just like any other filter, it requires periodic cleaning. But, unlike other filters, cleaning is performed by the vehicle's engine management system and usually occurs automatically when the vehicle is able to perform a highway drive or it's able to maintain a high engine load for a predetermined amount of time. It's during this phase that the exhaust temperatures are high enough to vaporise or convert the soot particulates into CO2, which can be safely released from the vehicle's exhaust. Sometimes, a highway drive may not produce high enough exhaust temperatures to convert the diesel particulates into CO2, so the vehicle's engine management system helps out. It does this by entering its active DPF regeneration mode, whereby a minuscule amount of diesel fuel is injected just after combustion, which raises the exhaust temperature to the required level to initiate the process of conversion or regeneration. The regeneration process may be interrupted or stopped if the vehicle operating conditions fall outside an optimal range. If this occurs, the engine management system will attempt regeneration of the DPF the very next time the vehicle is driven under constant throttle and load conditions. If the active regeneration is continually aborted, or the vehicle is never subjected to conditions that promote filter regeneration, then the vehicle will inform the driver of this through illumination of the DPF warning lamp. Don't panic. The warning light is there to let you know the car needs some help performing its cleaning of the DPF. The remedy is to simply drive the vehicle for around 20 minutes, keeping the engine speed above 2000 RPMs. As soon as the filter is clean, the light will go out. Again, don't worry if this can't be done immediately. At the first opportunity, take the vehicle for an extended drive down a motorway or highway, keeping its speed above 80 kilometres an hour and the engine over 2000 RPMs. You may need to use some lower gears to accomplish this. Be sure to check the owner's manual for the drive cycle needed to clean the DPF, because all vehicle manufacturers are different. Your diesel vehicle requires this cleaning process to occur. If it is driven continually with the DPF light on and is not given the opportunity to enter its regeneration mode, then the filter will become hopelessly blocked. The only outcome for this is to have the DPF replaced. Vehicle servicing is essential for the correct operation of the DPF and diesel engine. As the vehicle ages, blow-by gases containing carbon and metallic ash from the engine lubricating oil make their way into the exhaust system and can contaminate the DPF core. Low ash engine oil must be used in any engine fitted with a DPF, as these particular oils will not contribute to DPF contamination. It's also worth servicing the engine more frequently if the car is subjected to repeat city traffic or urban driving. During the vehicle's active regeneration of the DPF, some of that additional injected diesel fuel winds up in the oil, effectively diluting it. A DPF can be an expensive item to replace, so following these simple tips and understanding how it works will help ensure your DPF has a full service life. If you would like any more information, check out the Ryco DPF website or contact our customer care team today. Thanks for watching.